Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up, the Christmas holiday, and I know a lot of you looking for recipes to use to prepare for your family as they gather for the holiday. The next few videos for my channel will be videos of sides, of entrees, and of desserts for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like or you think your family will like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes, some sides, some entrees that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right? Well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people, and Merry Christmas. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas. Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little.
Well, what do you think of it? I hope this recipe will take care of some of your holiday needs, some of the dishes you'll need to make for this holiday season. If you really like this video, please make sure you give me a like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. And I thank you for staying to the very end. My angels, please be sure to be the blessing to someone. As always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. And I will see you on the next one.